In this video, we're going to walk through how to make a withdrawal of your deposit. So again, you'll want to make sure that you're on the Treasury tab. You'll see the active deposit that you want to go ahead and make the withdrawal from. Click Manage. Here you're going to see that you'll have the option to withdraw just your rewards. So you may withdraw partial or all of your rewards. Next, we're going to click on Withdraw. So you see that we have a deposit of 5,000 COTI. So I'm going to go ahead and withdraw all of my deposit. And remember, if you withdraw your entire deposit, all of your rewards will also be withdrawn as well. So we withdraw all 5,000, come over to the withdrawal overview. I see that I have 5,000 available, 5,000 being withdrawn. No early withdrawal fee because my deposit is unlocked. We have the treasury fee, the transaction fee, and the remaining amount of COTI, which is 0 because I'm withdrawing the entire deposit. I'll go ahead and click on Withdraw. You will get a warning sign. This is just letting you know that your deposit will be closed because you're withdrawing the entire amount. Go ahead and click on Withdraw. And you will see your withdrawal request was submitted. I'll go ahead and click on Done and go back to the Active Deposits page. So after I submit my deposit and click Done, I'll go back to my Active Deposits page, where I'll actually be able to see that my transaction is pending at the top right-hand side. So I'll go ahead and click on the status. And here I'm going to see actually all the history of all the withdrawals and deposits I've done. You can see that my withdrawal was created and it's still in pending status. You'll see your hash, fees, and the amount of rewards. So I'll go ahead and click back. And if you wanted to check, you could also go to the overview page. That will show every recent transaction that you have made and the status of it. So on both overview and the status, you can see all of your active and previous deposits. Thank you for watching this tutorial and stay tuned for more information.